All right, Roxy, thank you. Well, the struggling economy is affecting people across the country in different ways. Now, how does the economic recession affect personal and small business banking? Well, joining us this morning is Keith Costello, CEO for Broward Bank of Commerce. Welcome, Keith.
Thank you, Natalie.
Thank you for being here and sharing all of your wonderful advice.
My pleasure.
You know, we're in a recession. Times are tough. A lot of people are panicking. You know, maybe they're not always making the smartest decisions with their money. What advice do you have for people?
Well, you know, right now, as you look at South Florida banking and really across the whole country, but particularly in South Florida right now, I mean, you have banks that are being closed down every weekend. You have a lot of uncertainty with the foreclosure market. So for people to be nervous in this kind of environment is natural. I think that a few of the key things I would tell people are, you know, with the new Financial Reform Act that was passed yesterday, signed by President Obama, the $250,000 insurance for all accounts is going to be permanent. So that's a very key thing. So people don't need to be afraid about losing money if their bank fails or is taken over by the FDIC, as long as it's an FDIC insured bank. And so there doesn't need to be a panic about losing money. I think where people probably need to be concerned is if my bank fails, who's going to be my new banker? Who are these people? Because it's a totally new relationship.
Right. And actually, you were telling me you guys are a new bank and you have a lot of people coming in who are having problems with their current banks, and you guys are kind of coming to the rescue there.
Well, thank you. That's nice of you to say that. Well, we'd like to think that we're really dedicated and passionate about helping business people. And we're a commercial bank, so that has been our mantra, is do whatever we can to try to help business people and small business people, because we all know that's where the jobs are created.
Right.
And our economy is really not going to get better until unemployment goes down.
What advice do you have for small business owners?
Well, I think small business owners need to, as they're considering a bank, look at it as a relationship, not as a product or just buying a service, because it really is a relationship. You need to go in, meet your banker, know who they are, ask questions about the bank, and get to know each other. And it's a process. I mean, a lot of times we have people coming to us that are at an existing bank, and it's really tough for us to be able to react to something real quickly when we don't know them. But when you've built a relationship up over years and you go to your banker and you say, hey, I'm having a tough time right now, can you help me out? You know, that's the time when a relationship pays off.
Yeah. Now, you know, in this time where we're seeing all these foreclosures, all of this job loss, there's still some positive effects that can come out of that. So what can we do to kind of hunker down and use our money and put it towards the right path, go in the right path with it?
Well, I think there's tremendous opportunity right now. I think for anybody that's an investor or a business person, when times are tough like this, it creates huge opportunities for people. And you just need to be smart, look, take your time. There's still probably a long ways to go until the economy totally recovers.
All right, and come see you, right, Keith?
We'd love to help as many business owners as we can.
All right, well, thank you so much for being here with us today. And for more information on banking trends and questions you should ask when you visit your own bank, you can go ahead and go to browardbankofcommerce.com. We'll see you on the other side of the break. Stay with us.